Today, I have a major announcement where you can repurpose your video content easily and cut the production time to create videos. So let me introduce you to the AI video editor called Opus AI. Stay to the end and I'll show you how to transform your long form videos into shorts. Opus AI comes in to save the day. So it's designed to streamline your editing process and makes it more efficient than ever before. So the first thing you have to do is head to opus.pro. Great news for first-time users. It is free and offers a free trial of 120 minutes. You can either video upload or copy a YouTube link, and it allows up to 30 downloadable clips and offers a flexible paid subscription plans. So now I'm going to show you an example of how you can upload a video. I'm going to choose a recent video on building an e-commerce store using Acquit. So since it's already uploading now, we just have to wait for it to process for the time being. So the next step is to do the setting that you can tailor your clips according to the duration. You can set it to 30 seconds or between 30 to 60 seconds. And of course, you need to include the relevant keywords that was originated from the full clip or video that you upload earlier on. This will help Opus AI to generate the short clips that are relevant to your content. So in this case, I'm gonna include keywords such as e-commerce, product description, just to name a few. Next, you have to select your content type. So this will enable Opus AI to fine-tune the generate content for the clips itself. This is very handy if you're looking to produce educational videos or any type of videos for your marketing content. Once it has downloaded, you can see the suggested clips that Opus AI has generated for you. Now here's where the magic truly happens. Opus AI is powered by artificial intelligence that can analyze your raw footage and understand your creative vision. So it actually populates all the relevant content that can be repurposed for your content strategy. It also generates a score to show the virality potential of each short clip, and this score is based on AI's analysis of thousands of viral videos. Based on the keyword that you have actually inputted earlier on, it generates all the short clips that you can use for your YouTube shorts, TikTok, or even Instagram. And the best part is that you can use this content. A little caveat on using Opus AI, make sure that you edit on some of the copywriting that Opus has generated, because it may not be as accurate as you think. So the necessary thing you have to do is to go through all the text or descriptions of each clip. You can even position the caption as you wish, from top to bottom or even auto. Plus, Opus AI allows you to include your logos so that you can have your branding on all your content. You can even change the font according to your preference, as well as include the sizing of the font and the styles as well. And of course, you have the option to change the font colors, and you can do so by setting the color changes on the palette box. Once you're done, click the save button, and All the files will be autosave, and you can retrieve it if you need to make any more changes. Opus AI offers subscription on a monthly basis or yearly basis. OpenAI is a game changer for content creation.
OpenAI is a game changer for content creation, making the editing process faster, more intuitive, and incredibly creative. Don't waste any more time struggling with complicated editing software. So try OpenAI today for free and for limited time, and you can unlock a new level of content creation. If you like today's content, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button and stay up to date with all the latest tech and creativity tips. Have a great day.